Today's lesson is 12-4, and the title of the lesson is Finding Elapsed Time. We've been working on this for a couple days now. You know how to tell time in hours and minutes. Today you'll learn how to find how much time has passed between a start time and an end time. Here's the kind of problem we worked with today. Lunch begins at 11:40 a.m. and ends at 12:15 p.m. How can you find how long lunch lasts? Now, yesterday I talked about the fact that 12:15 p.m. is not the middle of the night, as some people think. 12:15 p.m. is the end of lunchtime. It's less than an hour between 11:40 a.m. and 12:15 p.m. 12 o'clock is when it changes from a.m. to p.m. How can you find how long lunch lasts? My students explained that you could count the 5-minute sections from 11:40 to 12, so you could count 5, 10, 15, 20. That would take you to 12 o'clock. And then you could also count the 5-minute sections from 12 o'clock to 12:15. 5, 10, 15. Then you've got your 20 minutes from 11:40 to 12, and you've got 15 minutes from 12 to 12:15. Add those two groups of numbers together to find how many minutes of lunch altogether. 35 minutes of lunch. We can also, of course, count around the clock, 5, 10, 15, 20, and then just keep going, 25, 30, 35. We stop here because that's where the minute hand is at 12:15. Denise went to see a movie. The movie started at 1 p.m. and ended at 2:35 p.m. How long did the movie last? Okay, so that's how the clock looks when the movie started. That's how the clock looks when the movie ended. Start by thinking about how many hours there are between 1 p.m. and 2:35. 1 hour between those two, plus the minutes. We had 0 minutes to start, 35 minutes to end. So to find the difference between 35 and 0, we can subtract 35 minus 0, 35 minutes. We've got 1 hour from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock, and we've got 35 minutes from 2 o'clock to 2:35. Put those together, and it's 1 hour, 35 minutes. Okay, just a definition for you. Elapsed time is the total amount of time that passes from the beginning time to the ending time. That's what elapsed time means. We talked about students taking laps when they're running. They run around and round and round in circles on a track, kind of like the clock's hands go around and around and around the clock. And that was it for today.